everyone, and welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I just wanted to share with you guys another haul video, and this is from Erin. So I recently purchased 3 of her kits for the Black Beauty bra, and I will try to pop up some pictures here of those bras that I made. So I got those kits last week, Saturday, and after I made one of them, I was like, this is so amazing, I need more. So I purchased a couple more, and they arrived today, which is Saturday. So it was really fast. Erin is located out of Canada, so the fact that I can order them and get them to me in a week was really nice. These kits are absolutely gorgeous, and they're unlike any kits I've ever seen before. So I thought it would be interesting to sort of show you guys and share and see how they're packaged, what's included, and see all of the pretty fabrics. So let's get started. Okay, so here's everything I got. The first thing I'll say is I got these finding kits. So last time I had purchased this blue tool kit right here, and I made the whole bra out of it, and I have enough of this fabric left over that I think I could definitely make a second bra out of it. So I just got some finding kits to go with it. So I got these in Latte. Now when I made up that blue tool bra, I made it with white finding, so I wanted to try something that looked a little bit different. So you can see everything here is in paper packaging, very eco-friendly, very recyclable, which I thought was really nice. So this is what's included in the findings kit, and I want to say these were about $10 US. So I got the large kit. It's my preference for the larger hook and eye, so that's why I got the large kit. And I thought it's really nice that these cards are included in all of the kits that you purchase, so you can really get an idea of what the different things are. So in this one it says it's for Black Beauty Bra View A. So we have 3/4 inch plush picot elastic, that's going to be this one. 3/8 of an inch fold over elastic, that's going to be this one. We have 3/4 of an inch strap elastic. We have underwire channeling. And then lastly, we have twill tape in here, and you need this to stabilize those straps on View A. And then lastly, in this little bag, you'll get hook and eye, and then rings and sliders that correspond to your strap elastic. So that is the large finding kits for View A. And I got 2 of those because I got another set of embroidery over here, so I'm going to be able to get 2 bras out of that as well. So this is just the same thing again. Let's look at the embroidery first. So the kit isn't packaged in the paper bag, and I love these little stickers that she has on here, so you know exactly what bra it's for. So if you are somebody who likes to collect kits, you'll know exactly which kit this has all of the stuff for. So in here we have the findings kit. This is just like the one that I showed you, so there's no reason to open this up. It has all the same things. It has that card, which is going to tell you what everything is inside and everything you need to make View A. This comes with some power net, so this is going to be used for your back band. I don't have enough of this to make a second bra, but I have a bunch of power net in my stash, so I have enough to do it, even though I didn't purchase extra of this. This little note came in my last embroidery kit as well. It says that the tool and the lining are all set to go. So the embroidered tool has stretch in one direction, and then the bra tool will have stretch in one direction. So she's already set that up so they are opposing. So you have one going this way and like one going this way. That way you have a stable non-stretch bra. So I thought that was a really nice extra touch that she's already gone through the effort of lining those up for you. And then the last time that I made this bra with the blue one, I was able to just lay this out and cut it up in one go. So I really enjoy the blue one, and so I had to pick up this pink one. I actually think this pink with these peachy tones might look a little bit better with my skin tone than the blue. So I'm really excited to get this one as well. So you can see here, she gives you a very generous cut of this lace. If you are a larger busted person, you have more than enough to make your cups. Someone smaller like me, I think I'm cutting a 34D out of this pattern. I have plenty to make 2 bras out of. So we have the lining and the outer fabric, we have the power net, and then we have all of the findings that you need to make it. One thing that I think is also really nice with her kits is she also includes a free underwire. So you just have to write her a note and let her know which underwire you want, which size. So for mine, I picked up 38 orange underwires. The Black Beauty pattern is drafted for the orange wire, so if you just tell her a size, that's what she's going to give you, is the orange wire. But I'm pretty sure that if you specify you want a bliss or something else like that, she'll include, doesn't necessarily have to be an orange wire with the kit. So this kit is for doing something a little bit different, and it is a bamboo, and it comes with foam. So once again, you know, we have the same findings included, and I believe, yep, this is still view A, so it's the same findings that I showed you earlier. We have some power net in here. This should be enough to make at least 1 bra. You might be able to get 2 bras out of it if you use really skinny power or skinny back band. So this one, I purchased the navy, so navy or midnight. Anyway, it's a deep black or deep blue color. I thought was really pretty. And I got the latte findings to go with this. So her findings, I think for every single kit she offers, she gives you an option of like black, white, or latte. So those are the 3 colors. I've just seen a lot of her bras, and she frequently does this combination of like navy blue with a nude, and I think it looked really good. So I really wanted to try that out. And then this particular kit comes with foam as well. So you can do, this is just cut and sew foam. So you make up the cup, you cut out the cup in this foam, and you butt it together and sew it up, and so it gives you a little bit more stability. I will try to pop up a picture here of a version of the Black Beauty bra that I've done with foam in it already. So I think for this one, I think you still have to cut out the bamboo. There is definitely enough stretch in this bamboo, so if you have a molded cup pattern or something like that, you could stretch this bamboo over top of a molded cup if you're looking for more of a seamless look. And I think this is sheer cup lining. So I don't really know, some of the kits she has bra tool with, and some of them she has sheer cup lining. My personal preference is for sheer cup lining. I think it's just a little bit more stable, and I don't have to worry about it as much. It has hardly any stretch in either of the directions, where bra tool can have stretch in one direction. So that was everything on this kit. So we have the bamboo, we have sheer cup lining. So this is probably going to be used for the bridge and cradle. I have foam, and that's going to be used for the cups, the power mesh, and the findings kit. And of course this one came with its own set of wires as well. So I can't remember how much I paid for this. I'll try to pop up a price down here so you can see you see everything that's good in the kit and how much it cost. So this is a toolkit that she has, Shear Bra Tool, and this one is white, and it has some lovely polka dots on it. So let's see if I can see how that is going to be really, really light and ethereal looking. So I have this white outer tool, and then I have some just regular bra tool. This again is also in white. So if I match these up with opposing directions of stretch, you should get something that is fairly stable. And that's what the two layers look like on top of each other. You can see, you can still see through that really well and get a nice sheer bra. White power net, and then a white bindings kit for view A. So that is everything that I got in this haul, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing it, and I will see you next time. Take care.